Hello friends, welcome to my channel RSK-Code tutorial. My name is Sourabh Shrivastava and in this video we are understanding argument capture in Mockito. We have understand mockings and stubbing in that we saw multiple ways to use argument matchers. In Mockito, where an argument matcher helps to stub data in a mock, whereas an argument capture helps to capture an argument passed through a method. We can inspect the argument or input passed in a method and verify its value with the help of argument capture. This is mostly useful when we can't access argument passed in a method outside from the test method. Some differences between argument matcher and argument capture are argument matcher used for both stubs and verification, while argument capture is used for verification only. Argument matcher is a general purpose. It can verify anything. Argument capture gives clear API to verify past argument. Let us more understand this difference between argument matcher and capture with a code example. So guys, to understand argument capture concept in our product service, I have created a method named as delete product. So I'll test this method and explain to you how argument capture works and why it is needed. So in this, it's a simple method. It delete a product. It call a method call product detail name. It gives a product detail name, and we pass this name to our delete by name method of product DAO. And delete by name has some method inside, and it has some logic, and it deletes the product with the help of name. Now this get product detail name, I have just written a product name is a test name. It may have complex logic to get the product detail name. So let's understand first how we can test this method with the help of argument matcher. So first, I have created a folder argument. In that, I have created two folders, capture and matcher. So in matcher, I have created this argument matcher example. In this, I have this product DAO as a mock and product service which has injected this mock. I have initialized with the help of open mocks all the annotations, and I have a method text delete product with the help of argument matcher. So I'll call my method service dot delete product. So using Mockito dot when product dot delete by name argument matcher dot any string, then I cannot return anything here. So it's a void method. So I need to use Mockito dot do return or do nothing. Okay. So do nothing, then when product down. So this is the structure of do nothing. When a mock name, a mock object, and then dot method name with argument matcher. Now you can see here, I this method is also void. This method is also void. I cannot verify here anything. I cannot add any assertion here. So what we can do here, let's do verification with the help of verify. So product DAO dot delete. So this is our assertion with the help of Mockito dot verify. We will understand more about verify in our next videos. For now, I'm just using assertion with the help of verify. So this is my given. So this is my when section. and this is my then section. Simple test. Let's run it. It is green here. Now you can see here I cannot verify anything related to the test method. Inside my test method, I cannot test anything related to this delete product. What is happening inside, I cannot check. So this is where my argument capture helps. I can mock this delete by name with many kind of stubbing, many kind of argument matcher, like argument matches dot any. I can even check if the value is equal to some value or not. So for example, here I am returning this product name. So I can check my in my argument matcher that this value is which is going to delete by name is product name or not. So this is how we can do this method testing, which is a kind of a void method. It's inside also has a void method. But this is not a good way to test this method. We need to test what is happening inside delete product. So what is here which can be verified? So in this method, this name can be verified, which is going to this method delete by name. So let us understand. I'm going to this capture argument capture example class. It is same method. Now I am just using argument capture here. So writing argument capture is simple. So just use this for class, give it a class name, and it will give you a capture object of that class which I have passed. So why it is a string dot class? Because I want to capture this name variable and its data type is string. That's why I have used string dot class. So friends, it can be anything. If it is a some custom object, it can be a custom object for argument capture here. Now I just need to test that service dot delete product, and I just need to tell that delete product method delete by name that to capture that variable name for me. So how can I do that? I just need to call verify method on product dot delete by name. I just need to pass. Let's rename this argument capture. It should be a name argument capture. So it's more meaningful here. Capture. Now I want to check what's the value of name here. So I'll just call name dot argument name argument capture dot get value, and that's it. Whatever value this name will get, I can get that value in my this test code, which was not possible with argument matcher by this way. So let's assert this. So I am expecting that my name should be this product name. Let's test this test. And it is green. I have captured the name value which was going to this method delete by name with the help of argument capture. So this is a rare case. Sometimes happens we don't have anything to assert in our method, and there's no control in our method which we can control through our test case. So in those scenarios, we can use argument capture to capture the value of input arguments which are going to a method which we need to assert. Now, can I do the same thing with the help of argument matcher? Yes or no? Yes. Let me write another code, another test method. Test delete product with argument matcher like argument capture. How I can do that? So there's a way. Instead of do nothing, I need to use do answer. Other code will remain same. I can remove this assertion here. I will assert here. How? Let's see. So do answer has a uh, object invocation. So I just need to return earlier. Now this invocation object has a method called get argument in which I can give the index number and the class type of my input argument. So this will be my name argument, and I can just assert the same thing which I've done here. Name argument. Let's test this code. It's also green. So this is also one of the way we can do assertion. I hope you understand this logic. It's quite simple and important also. It's a very deep concept in Mockito. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.